Hello guys, hope we are doing well. So today we'll see how you can enable the screencast mode in a VSC editor. Okay, so let's get started with that. So here you can see I have opened my VSC editor, and now whatever I type here, it is not, it is just typing, but it is not showing the user, whoever is watching this might not be able to see what I am typing here. Okay, so in case there may be some bold font will be required in your case, so maybe I will make something like this, but this is not the solution. Okay, so there is a solution in this editor given. You can use your screencast mode. Okay, for that you will have to press the command CTRL Shift P, and you can see here the first link will appear in front of you, developer toggle screencast mode. Okay, so I can press this one, and from now whatever I type, I can see, you will see here in the bold font. Okay, if you also select, you will see here the highlighter. Got it? So this option in VSC considered as a screencast mode. Okay, now I am going to type here and going to write a code. Okay, so here, so whatever you type, it will be display here. Okay, something like this you can type. If it is wrong, that's fine. Okay, so you can use like this. Yeah, whatever you type, in case you are also commenting out, that will also be displayed here. Got it? Now coming to questions, you'll have also a feature you can set the font of that part also. Okay, the setting is always open. The setting you can go for. So lots of setting you see here. You can, in case you require, you can set the font size of this in screencast mode. So I will not be showing here in this video, but this is the setting. Toggle one. Press desired key combination and then press enter. So you can use your own key binding. So whenever you press that particular, you can see this appears in front of you. Now if I will have to make it switch off, I will have to go back here because it says the toggle. Toggle means if you are enabling this, you make it toggle, then it will be disable. And if you disable, now you can see it disables. Again, in case I have to enable, I will have to go back there. Okay. So this is how you can do this one. Now coming to question how you can with the font size. But in general, in case you want to increase the font, you can also go for this one. So if I press here 15 and you come here, you see here in general, you will see this font size, the increased font size. Okay, so now again coming back here, formatting, editor. So you'll have to check where you will go for that. Okay, so either you can go one by one or you can search here on top. Okay, so I have typed here the screencast mode, and here you can see the font size, it appears 50. I don't want such large font, I just want 40, then you'll have to make it like this. Okay, so in my case it is also enabled as of now, you can see, and you can also see here the change font, the text is coming below. So if I press the 30, you can also see here the 30. Got it? So it a bit lower. And if you press the 25, you'll also see here on the bottom. Okay. So I think the 40 is fine because this is okay. So this is how you can configure the font size of that. Again, if you come here, you see a bit less font size than previously it was appearing. Now again, let me show you the step. So here you'll have to come under settings, and here on top you can either you can search one by one in case you have idea under which section that will appear. If you are not aware of that, you can simply type there here on top screencast mode. Got it? So you can also see here the overlay control how long it appears on the screens. Okay, so it's less than a 1 second. It's around 800 milliseconds. And what background color indicator? So this is everything will have the control. You can try adjusting and see whichever is best suited in your case. You can go for that. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.